Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be doing my BoxyCharm unboxing. So unfortunately, my Luxe box has not come in for this month. As you guys can see, I have a little bit of a different setup today. I don't know if this is going to be my permanent setup, but it's what I have for now. I thought it would be really cute, just switch it up a little bit and do something kind of different. So I'm still working on like the lighting and all that stuff in this room. But for now, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and jump right in. So this is our premium box. This month's theme is Glam Vibes Only. So this is what it looks like right here. This is the little card, insert card that it came with. This month has a lot of like skin prep more than anything. I think there's only 2 makeup items and everything else is all skin prep. I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into each product and then I'll tell you guys a little bit about them and then demo them as I talk to you about it. All right, so the first item that we have is this ice roller for your overworked / sensitive skin. And this is from the brand called Kitsch or Kitsch. I don't know. This is what the box looks like right here. I don't know if you guys can even see it. I have been trying to work with my lighting because I don't want to keep like dimming it down and then brightening it up. And this retails for $18. It's an ice roller. It's what it looks like. I literally just took it out of the freezer because that's where you put it. Obviously, it's called an ice roller. It's made with high quality surgical stainless steel that helps to calm inflammation, increase blood circulation, increase blood circulation, and alleviate sore muscles, tension, and headaches. It's recommended for daily use for best results. So on the back of the box here, it tells you a bunch of different ways that you can use this. I don't even know if you guys can see this. I have said this literally in the past few videos, and anyways. So it says after you cleanse and dry your skin, to remove the ice roller from the freezer and allow it to sit for a few minutes. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and just use this. So we're gonna start by rolling along the cheekbone outwards towards the hairline. So this way, ooh, feels real good. Slowly move upwards and roll under the eyes. Do the same thing on the other side. This feels so good. And this is just like the one roller that we got before where like you can feel everything just draining itself. You can also just spot treat and just roll wherever you have like any inflammation or anything like that. You can hold it underneath your eyes for a few seconds to kind of depuff and brighten everything. So I definitely like that. I feel like it just kind of woke up my skin. And then the next item that we got is actually my choice item. I usually show you guys my choice item at the end, but since it's a skincare product, I decided to show it to you now because this is something that we're gonna use. So this is the Marc Jacobs Youthquake Moisturizer. So I've heard really, really good things about this moisturizer. So this is the first time that Marc Jacobs is featured in a BoxyCharm box. This item here alone is more than the box itself. It is $59. It is a multitasking moisturizer that has the perfect combination of moisturizing and retexturizing results. It's going to help to smooth away rough texture and then also reveal a fresh surface that's ready to receive major moisture. So this is what the packaging looks like here. I'm going to go ahead and open it up for you guys, show you guys the inside. So this is the inside of the moisturizer. It feels so good. I feel like this would be perfect. Like this is perfect like moisturizer for prepping your skin for makeup. Next up, we have the Emma Hardy Brilliance Facial Oil. This is an overnight treatment. It helps to increase moisture level, increase elasticity, balance the skin, and it has antioxidant protection. So technically, you're supposed to use this at night, but I'm going to use it now because, I mean, I'm not going to wait till nighttime to use this. This guy does retail for $55. So this is what the bottle looks like right here. It's super luxurious looking. It does retail for $55. We're going to go ahead and smell it. Ooh, it does have a little bit of a strong smell. Kind of smells like, do you guys remember the Elemis Rose Oil that we got? Kind of smells a little bit like that. I used 2 drops of it and I'm just going to press it into my skin. This is a dry oil, which means that it's not going to be super greasy. It's going to be perfect if you have like oily skin because it won't give you that like greasy, heavy feel. Yeah, it kind of smells like rose a little bit. It does have Palmarosa, which is probably what I'm smelling, orange, mint, vanilla, geranium, chamomile, lemon, rose, lavender, and omega-3. So it does have quite a bit of different essential oils in here. Has almond oil. It does not have any fragrance in it. The only fragrance that you're smelling are the essential oils, but this is what my skin looks like, which I'm not mad at it. Again, it doesn't feel greasy at all. And I'm actually pretty excited for this because I love me a good like nighttime facial oil. So I feel like this is something that I'm definitely going to use a lot of. I just used 2 drops and I felt like that was more than enough for my skin. Alrighty, and then the last skincare product that we got is this Milk Makeup Kush Lip Scrub. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's an exfoliating conditioning lip scrub made with natural sugar to help and hemp stem exfoliators for softer, smoother, more moisturized lip. It has shea, cocoa, and mango butters that softens the lip, seals in moisture, and improves texture, and it retails for $22. Okay, so this isn't what I expected it to be like at all. Like I was expecting it to kind of be like that e.l.f. Exfoliating lip balm. I do feel the texture on it, but it's really smooth on the lips. Like it doesn't leave that like crusty residue, which I really like. So I feel like I'm gonna be using this a lot. Then we got this eyeshadow palette from Eloise. This is what it looks like. This is the first time this brand is also featured in BoxyCharm. So this is the Queen, A Queen Lies in All of Us palette. I've heard of this brand before, but I've never used it. This retails for $46. It's a beautiful palette. This is what it looks like. I feel like it does have some bright pops of colors, but this is going to be really, really good for fall. It's a 20 pigment palette that has 4 stunning textures, 8 buttery mattes, 6 shimmers, 1 pressed pearl, a metallic, and a dual chrome topper. Wow, I didn't even know that it had all that. I wish it told me which shade was which. All right, I'm going to swatch. Oh my gosh. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. This is the shade Jewel. I'm going to swatch it for you guys in the back of my hand here because, girl, she is pigmented. Do you guys see that? And then the last product in this month's box is the Stila Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner. I have tried these eyeliners before in the past when I used to work at makeup counters, and I know that this is really, really good. This is in the shade Vivid Smoky Quartz. Let's see, it retails for $22. They have a bunch of different shades. It's moisturizing, it's gonna glide on the skin really easily, waterproof, and it's not gonna fade. And I always feel like a good brown eyeliner is an essential. So I'm gonna go ahead and just swatch it right here. Oh wow, definitely very pigmented. This was only 1 swipe, very light pressure, really nice and dark too. Like this is almost like a black brown is what I would call it. So it's not like gonna give you that like super brown look, but if you're not big a fan into brown eyeliner, I feel like or black eyeliner, you'll really, really like this one because it's gonna still give you a nice natural finish. So we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna do my brows and I'm gonna zoom you guys on in. We'll do our eyes. I'll finish the rest of my makeup and then talk to you guys about the last products and my thoughts on our Boxycharm Premium. that is the finished look for our September BoxyCharm Premium box. I just have to talk about it because I can't not talk about it. This eyeshadow palette, I was not expecting it to be so good because I'm gonna be honest, like it feels really cheap, it looks really cheap. And I was like, man, $45? Yeah, you have 20 eyeshadows in it, but they're really, really small shadows. And I just was like, this can't be that good. I mean, I saw how beautiful the shimmers were, but I was not expecting it to be this good. Like, can we just talk about this? Like, the pigmentation is totally there. They blend out so nicely. The shimmers on this palette are just like to die for. Like, I can't get over how gorgeous and stunning these shimmers are. Just putting a little bit of a lighter shimmer just on the center of my eye here, just to really make it pop. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm so impressed with this eyeshadow palette. I've tried Stila eyeliners in the past and I absolutely love them, and this one does not is not an exception to it. It is a little bit drier than I remembered it being. It's not as creamy as, like, let's say the ColourPop cream gel liners, but it is super, super pigmented. It's very dark. I like this. Again, if you are someone who wants to do eyeliner but is scared of like black eyeliner, I feel like you would really, really like this shade because it is super dark, where it makes it look like it's a black eyeliner, but it keeps it soft, so it's not so harsh, it's not so dramatic. I definitely love that a lot. Yeah, I'm gonna give this box, I'll give it a 4.7 out of 5, and the only reason why, again, is just because I feel like the roller is not really a premium product, but everything else I am a big fan of. And if you guys want to build up your makeup collection or just try out new products, or if you guys are interested in building your skincare collection or your hair care collection, whatever it is, if you're into beauty, I feel like you would really like BoxyCharm. I feel like you get such great products in there. If you guys are interested in signing up for BoxyCharm, make sure you guys check out my link down below. You guys will get a free gift if you guys use my link. You can sign up for base box, upgrade to Luxe box, which you get you can get the base box, which is $25 a month, the premium box, which is $35 a month, or you can also get the base box and then get your Luxe box every 3 months, which would be an additional $25 every 3 months, which makes it $50 every 3 months. Let me know what you guys got in your month's box, and let me know if you guys got both of your boxes or any of your boxes, or are you still waiting for yours like I am. This is the first time that I wait for mine, and I mean, there's still some time left for this month to be over with, but I usually get both of my boxes by now. So anyways, once I get my Luxe box, I'll definitely try to film that video for you guys, unless if I get it like in the middle of October, which in that case it doesn't matter anymore. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you guys will join me for the next one. Until then.